If you want to enable the dark mode app icon style on your iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max, and the Plus, so in this video I will show you how to do that. Now to do that, just tap and hold on the empty space on your home screen. Then tap on Edit. Now from here, just select Customize. And after you do that, a small menu will appear at the bottom of the screen. Now from here, instead of default, just select dark. And after you do that, you will enable the dark mode app icons on your iPhone. Now you can either select always, and this app icon style will be set always on your iPhone, or you can select auto. And if you select auto, the dark icons will be automatically enabled at the night time and they will be disabled at the daytime. And if you tap on the sun icon over here, you can turn off the dim background feature on your iPhone. As you can see, when this feature is enabled, the background has been dimmed, but you can turn it off by tapping on the sun icon over here. Now to save the changes, just tap on the empty space on your home screen. And this is how you can enable the dark mode app icons on the iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max, and the Plus. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.